hi folks, it's John from highticketaffiliatecoach.com here, and today I want to welcome on the call my student Michael, and we've got Michael on because he texted me just a few days ago saying that he had made his first sale. So congratulations, Michael, and good to have you here. So do you want to just tell us, first of all, how and when did you get into affiliate marketing, and why did you decide to do that?
So affiliate marketing itself, I probably discovered the concept of that maybe about, gotta be like 2-3 years ago. It just it just seemed like a really interesting business model to me. It's like you don't have to make your own product, you don't have to handle inventory, you don't have to hire your own employees unless you want to, but yeah, you just basically focus on the selling of a product, and I just thought that was really appealing.
Yeah, definitely. It's a very attractive business model. So I hope you don't mind me saying this, but when you messaged me, you weren't actually quite sure that you'd made a sale. You sent me a screenshot and you were like, does this mean I made a sale? I thought that was really cool. But how did you discover that you'd made that sale, and how did you feel?
Yeah, so I was just following your course, just and your advice through our messages, and I know with your style, I know you can't just immediately put out a video and expect to make a sale right away. That's just not how it works. So I was just like, okay, just kind of be ready for anything. And then every day I scroll through my emails and I just saw something odd and just like, this looks weird. And I clicked on it and it's like, it looks like I made a sale, but I wasn't exactly sure. So I wanted a second opinion. So I sent you the screenshot. It's like, okay, did I really make money? Or
yeah, and I confirmed that for you. No, that's awesome. So were you surprised it happened so quickly?
Yeah, honestly, I thought I would have to put out some more videos and maybe grind a little more, just get back on the horse and keep grinding, keep making videos. But it happened much faster than I expected, and I can't complain.
Yeah,
I'm definitely pretty happy.
I'm not going to lie. I mean, you are actually the current record holder for the fastest sale. I mean, you even beat me. So just so that people know, when I started my brand new channel end of last year, it took me like 10 videos before I made my first sale, and you did yours. Was it 4, right?
Yeah, just 4 videos. Yep, and I made a sale.
Yeah, and until now, basically anybody who has taken action and implemented what I teach has made their first sale between about 10 and 20 videos. So someone else did it in 10, someone I think else 16, 13, 12, something in around there. So probably everyone shouldn't expect 4. You're definitely a kind of outlier, but still, it's a repeatable system, and if you put the work in, then you will start making sales eventually, and probably sooner rather than later. So tell me, Michael, in terms of just getting up and running, I think I looked at when you came on board, and it must have been just over a month, maybe a month and 10 days, something like that, from when you came on board to making your first sale. How long did tell me about that, the process of getting up to speed and starting to create content? Was that a difficult process, or were there any hurdles that you had to overcome?
I would say a lot of the hurdles were personal. I think I told you about all the medical and health issues I'm dealing with. Oh boy, that was it was hard to overcome that, but I told myself it's just like I gotta make money. I gotta do my part and get my money to help myself, help my family. So that was the motivating factor for me, and I'm just very thankful that your course is very easily laid out. It was just very easy for me to just follow your videos and just implement what you say. And yeah, it's as easy as just watching it and just doing what you say, just implementing it right away. I know some other make money online courses that I've taken in the past. They can be very, very high level, very, very conceptual, but I feel like they don't hold your hand. They don't walk you through it. If I wanted just like high level concepts for business, you can just find that as like free videos on YouTube. But I really like the way you made your videos. I never really felt lost at all. I felt like I can just watch your videos and just immediately implement what you taught. And yeah, very simple, very easy. I like it.
Good. Well, that's what I aim for, and it's it's good that's the way you found it. It was interesting what you said there. You obviously have quite a strong motivation, a very strong why. You want to provide for yourself, provide for your family, and pay medical bills and stuff like that. And I think people, in general, need to kind of tap into that motivation and that why, because it obviously helped you to kind of push on forward and be a success. And I think people need to tap into that more to get over the whatever mental blocks that they might be having to between where they are and starting to make those commissions, because a lot of the time it is just mental, and you just got to get over yourself and get moving. But yeah, we're delighted that you've had your first success, and really it's about just remaining consistent at this point. And I think you said that you had about 26 people on your list at that point, and that's fairly typical. I had one student who made her first sale with just 6 people on the list, but yeah, it's going to be in that range. And the great thing about what we teach is that that list is a permanent asset that you own, and we want you to continue to make sales by promoting on YouTube. But the real magic happens when you build that list to 200 or 300, and you can start promoting launches, and you can do that every week, every month, and that becomes a real driver of the profit in your business.
Yeah, I'm mapping out the future videos I want to make in my head at the moment, and just kind of planning my plan of attack for how I want to proceed. And yeah, it's definitely very motivating to get a sale so early, so I know this business model works.
Totally, yeah. Your first sale might just be a few bucks, but it's about proof of concept here. You've proved that it works. You proved it yourself that it works, and it's always going to be a little bit slower at the beginning. But as you retain, keep the pressure up and keep the content coming, then YouTube will really start to sit up and take notice of you, and start serving your videos more, and it just becomes a kind of snowball from there.
Oh yeah, it's definitely nice, like just creating a video and just like watching YouTube handle like the algorithm, just watching those views go up. It feels like magic. It feels like YouTube is your friend, just trying to help you out, which is really nice.
Yeah.
It's kind of like each video is kind of like planting seeds and watching a tree grow.
Yeah, little seeds, little hooks in the ocean, I like to see them as. But yeah, it's all about giving people what they're searching for. If you're planning your video around a particular keyword, as long as you're delivering on the promise of the title that people are clicking on, then that will reflect in your watch time, and the algorithm will start to reward you for that, and reward you for giving its users the content that they're searching for. So
yeah, I've before I took your course, I've always looked into like creating my own YouTube channel, but it just seemed like a Mount Everest. I didn't know how to do it. It seemed really daunting, but your course really laid everything out, so it just felt easy.
Good. That's great. That's great. Well, thanks again for coming on, Michael. Congratulations once again. We don't want to run these too long, but yeah, thank you so much for coming on, and wish you all the best of success in the future. And maybe you'll come on again when you start to have success with launches and things like that as well.
Oh yeah, happy to be on. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Okay, thanks, Michael. Bye for now. So congratulations once again to Michael for his success. Now, if you are interested in finding out more about how I can help you start your affiliate marketing business or even set it up for you, then first thing to do is grab my free gift, which is called 3 Proven Steps to Quit Your 9-to-5 Job with High Ticket Affiliate Marketing. And you can find a link to that somewhere around this video. It will be in the description or the pinned comment under this video if you're on YouTube. And so grab that and we'll take it from there. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. God bless.